Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. Guys, this amazing project, so we discuss more detail about this project. Baby SpaceX, you can check here website interface. So first of all, we discuss about of this project, Baby SpaceX Queen. The story of Baby SpaceX Queen starts with an exhilarating tale of humanity's journey to the stars. SpaceX space mission led by Elon Musk and set to take place towards the end of 2024 became a source of inspiration for us. This journey generated our desire to turn a dream that transcends humanity into reality. And as guys you can check here the inspiration beyond Baby SpaceX Queen stems from the exciting world of space exploration and the potential of cryptocurrencies for the future. We are a group of dreamers who are passionate about exploring the earth and beyond. And as guys, you can click here and see this white paper. You can click this and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this white paper open. You can see this PDF, Baby SpaceX. You can check here important link, official website link, Telegram group link. You can check here Twitter page link. And as guys, you can scroll down and see this vision of this project. You can check here missions, and as well you can check here introduction of this project. Baby SpaceX is not just a cryptocurrency, it's a cosmic journey waiting to unfold, inspired by the groundbreaking missions of SpaceX and fueled by the vision of Elon Musk. You can check here article, you can read carefully article. Next you can see this Baby SpaceX tokenomics. You can check here, we discuss later. You can see this all is the tokenomics of this project, Baby SpaceX. You can check here article. Next you can check here roadmap, and next you can see this more detail about this project. And next we back to the home page and see this more detail about this project. Guys, you can check here video about this project, Baby SpaceX. You can play this video and watch this video completely. And next you can see this upcoming utilities, NFT marketplace, swap, P2E game, launchpad. You can see this. And next we discuss tokenomics, Baby SpaceX. You can check here contact address, Twitter. You can see this 486.17 billion. You can check here. Next you can see this team and development 10%, community reward and stacking 10%, marketing and partnership 10%, airdrop 10%, CX decentralized centralized exchange 20%, liquidity 20%, pre-sale 20%. You can check here total supply of this project tokenomics. And next we go to this project roadmap. Customer 1 2025 foundations and initial developments, launch and operation of Baby SpaceX Index. You can see this customer 2 2025 growth and engagement. CX listing, complete the first CX listing. You can check here article. Next you can see this customer 3 scaling up 2025. CEX expansion. You can check here apply for listing on additional exchanges, Binance, Bybit, market cap and holders. Implement strategies to rise the market. You can check here. Next you can check here customer 4 2025 trust and community empowerment. DAO implementation. Establish the Baby SpaceX DAO to allow the community to participate in project decision making through BaseX exporting. You can see this 2026 and beyond vision and future plans. You can check here Baby SpaceX Metaverse, build a fully functional gaming focused metaverse where users can mine, earn rewards and interact to contribute to the BaseX ecosystem. You can check here article. You can see this Anaka. You can check here our team and partners. Our team and partners Heavy, Dragon, Falcon, and next you can see this another partner of this project, Gamepad. You can see this DEX tool, DEX view. You can check here the easiest way of investing in blockchain. You can join us now. And next you can see this why Baby SpaceX Coin. You can check here all detail. You can see this, you can invest in Baby SpaceX. So guys, you can click here, then you can buy now. You can click this and see this page is loading. It takes time. Then you can see this page is almost open now. So guys, you can buy now through Radium Pay. So you can click this agree return, then you can enter Radium now. So guys, first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can click here and connect following wallet. You can see this Phantom software. So you can select any wallet. Then you can select network. For example, I enter select network Solana. Then you can enter your Solana amount 200. then you can receive baby SpaceX. If you want to swap baby SpaceX to Solana, then you can click here and enter your baby SpaceX amount, then you can receive Solana now. So guys, in this step you can buy and you can swap now through Iridium. And next you back to the home page, and next guys you can see this. So next we go to this project Coin Market Cap listing details. So we go to Coin Market Cap and see this detail. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. Guys, you can see this Coin Market Cap project page is open. You can check here baby SpaceX. You can see this price chart. You can see this price in up and down. You can check here price USD amount. You can check here market cap amount 95.18k dollar. You can see this liquidity amount 8.99k dollar. You can check here all transaction histories. You can see that you can scroll down and see this more detail. You can start trading on Radium now. And so guys, you can convert it now BaseX to Sol Converter through Coin Market Cap project listing platform. And next we back to the home page, and next we go to CoinGecko. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. Guys, you can see this in CoinGecko terminal page is open. You can check here BaseX price in CoinGecko terminal $0.061958. You can check here price chart in CoinGecko terminal. You can see this all price up and down. So guys, it's amazing, huge profitable project. You can check here all transaction details. You can see the liquidity amount 8.99k dollar, holders 556, market cap 95.11k dollars. You can check here our detail. You can see this and next we back to the home page, and next we go to this more detail. So we go to dash screener. You can click here and see this page is loading. Now you can check here dash screener platform open. You can check here price chart of BaseX on Solana. You can see this. You can check here liquidity amount. You can check here market cap amount. You can see this all transaction details. You can check here now. And next we back to the home page, and next we go to DAX tool. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. It's take time. Then you can see this guy. You can check here DAX tools platform page is open. So guys, you can click this. Okay, got it. Then you can check here baby SpaceX amount in DAX tool platform. You can check here $0.062005. You can see this price chart of baby SpaceX. You can see this price up and down. So guys, you can swap now through DAX tool. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can click here and connect following wallet: Solflare, Trust, Phantom wallet. Then you can enter your BaseX amount. For example, I enter BaseX amount 100. Then you can receive Solana amount. If you want to swap Solana to BaseX, then you can click here and enter your Solana amount. Then you can receive BaseX. You can check here, and next we back to the home page. And next guys, we go to this project official Twitter page. Now you can see this baby SpaceX coin official Twitter page is open. You can follow this. You can check here official link. You can see this Linktree link, official Telegram group chat link. You can check here all posts of this project. So guys, you can like and comment this post and retweet this post. And next we back to the home page, and next we go to this project Telegram group chat community. So guys, you can click this and see this baby SpaceX coin official Telegram group chat community is open. You can see these 4,518 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group. You can see this description details, and next we back to the home page, and next we go to this project and gaming bot. Guys, you can see this BaseX miner board. You can click this and start this board, and you can play this game. And next we back to the home page. So guys, this website video is finished. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update.